Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Focus. The calendar says 2026, but the pressure feels timeless. It's that quiet hum of anxiety that starts on a Sunday evening. It reminds you that bills are due soon and your single paycheck is stretched thinner than last month. Many people feel this weight. A constant worry that one unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill could knock your financial plan off its tracks. Reliance on a single income source is the biggest financial risk. The world of work is changing faster than ever. Job security isn't what it used to be. Waiting for a problem is no longer a viable strategy. But what if you could build a buffer? What if other sources of money flowed, and even small ones that didn't depend on your 9 to 5? This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about being smart, strategic, and proactive. The main idea is simple. Develop multiple streams that work alongside your paycheck. In 2026, tools and platforms make this more achievable than ever. This guide gives you that plan. We'll break down 8 proven income streams you can start today. It's about control and financial resilience, one manageable step at a time. Let's be direct. Relying on a single paycheck is like building a house on one pillar. As long as that pillar is strong, everything feels stable. But if it cracks, the entire structure is in jeopardy. Company restructuring, industry shifts, automation, a simple change in management, an extra income stream, even a small one, acts as a second pillar, a third pillar, a fourth pillar. It provides stability. It's your financial safety net, catching you if one source of income falters. This isn't just about surviving. It's about creating options for yourself and reducing financial anxiety. Think about the tangible benefits. Cover your car insurance, fund a family vacation, pay off a nagging credit card balance, build up your emergency savings. It gives you breathing room. Suddenly, an unexpected expense becomes a manageable inconvenience instead of a full-blown crisis. It can also be the seed money for a larger dream. Starting your own business, investing for long-term wealth. To get started, it helps to think about income in 3 distinct categories. First on our list is the most direct way to earn extra money: side gigs and freelance work. This is the heart of the gig economy. At its core, you are selling a skill or a service for a set fee or an hourly rate. You work on your own schedule, taking on as much or as little work as you want. This makes it an incredibly flexible option for anyone with a primary job, family commitments, or an irregular schedule. The beauty of freelancing is that you are almost certainly already qualified to do something. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistants, bookkeeping, handyman repairs. The reason this model works so well is its low barrier to entry and the potential for fast cash. For example, someone skilled at creating presentations can offer PowerPoint polishing services on a freelance website. Initial investment is time. Create a profile, write a clear description, and you can start earning within days, not months. Countless individuals earn a consistent $500 to $1,500 per month with a few hours weekly. First, list your skills. Second, choose one you enjoy and feel confident in. Third, create a clear profile and include a sample. Imagine creating something one time and getting paid over and over again. That is the power of a digital product: ebook, template, a short video course, a worksheet, a set of design presets. Once created, it scales. You are no longer trading time for money. It can sell 24/7. Everyone is an expert in something. Baking sourdough bread, navigating a specific software, training a puppy, planning a budget-friendly trip. The key is to focus on a niche topic. Start low cost, a one-page guide for $7 on simple platforms. Subscriptions create predictable income, exclusive content, access to a private community, premium newsletters, early access, group coaching. Of all the income streams, this is the one that most truly embodies the idea of making money while you sleep. Investing is using your money to buy assets that can grow or generate income. This is not about risky day trading or trying to time the market. For most people, the most accessible form of investment income comes from dividends. When you own a share of a dividend-paying stock or an exchange-traded fund, the company pays you a portion of its profits, typically every quarter. It's like being a silent partner in a business. Reinvest dividends to buy more shares. Those shares earn dividends too. Over time, the snowball grows with little effort. This is a long-term strategy that builds significant wealth. In 2026, micro-investing and fractional shares make starting easier than ever. Start with as little as $50 a month into a low-cost, diversified dividend ETF that spreads risk across hundreds of companies. The key is consistency. Automatic monthly investing beats sporadic lump sums. The math of compounding is the proof. Small, consistent contributions can become hundreds of thousands by retirement. Your first steps are simple. Open a low-fee account. Set a recurring deposit. Choose a broad index or dividend ETF. We are living in the creator economy. Create videos, blog posts, podcasts, social updates, and then monetize the attention. Advertising, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, direct support. Niche creators can thrive. One of the oldest and most straightforward business models is to buy low and sell high. This is the essence of reselling and retail arbitrage. Thrift stores, clearance aisles, garage sales, and online marketplaces are your sourcing grounds. eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, vintage clothing, brand name sneakers, collectible toys, out-of-print books. Your knowledge of value translates directly into cash. Fast feedback loop, low barrier to entry. Develop an eye for value. It rewards research, patience, and a bit of hustle. Start with $50 to $100 and reinvest as you flip. Use sold listings. Buy for $5 if it consistently sells for $25 or more. Many sellers earn $300 to $1,000 a month with weekend sourcing and weeknight listing. First, choose one niche. Second, go to a local source. Third, make your first purchase and list it. This final section combines two powerful forward-looking income streams, one classic and one modern. The first is royalties and licensing. Create an asset once, a photograph, a piece of music, a graphic design, a short piece of writing, and earn per use. You license permission to use it, not sell it outright. A portfolio can generate a steady trickle over years. Modern stream. Leverage AI to create faster, automate posting and support, and analyze data for opportunities. Upload phone photos to stock sites. Use AI to cut writing time in half and increase output. One real example, a full-time administrative assistant offered virtual assistant services, scheduling and email, for small business owners. She now earns an extra $800 a month. A beginner can start with a $20 proofreading offer and land a first 5-star review. Proof that this works is abundant. A teacher bundles classroom worksheets and earns a few $100s per month in passive income. Small sales add up over time. A gardening blogger charges $10 a month for a monthly planting guide, live Q&A, and a private forum. A vintage watch hobbyist with 100 members at $5 earns $500 per month. Invest $100 per month into a broad fund averaging 8%. By retirement, over $300,000, powered by reinvested dividends. Thousands of small channels earn steady income with a few thousand dedicated subscribers. From ad revenue, affiliate sales, and occasional sponsorships, 100 strong photos can yield $50 to $100 per month in royalties. Doubling content output often increases traffic and ad revenue accordingly. Active income trades time for money. Passive creates assets. Hybrids start active and get more passive over time. Pick what fits your life. Quick cash with active gigs, long-term payoff with passive projects, or both in sequence. Many start with an active hustle to fund investments or digital assets, building pillars that support each other. Stop seeing income as a single payday and start seeing it as a system you can design and control. We've covered a lot of ground, from the active hustle of freelancing to the long-term patience of investing. The options can feel overwhelming, leading to the most common mistake, doing nothing at all. The secret is to think small. You don't need a massive empire, just one small, decisive step forward. A secure future is built one income stream, one project, one small win at a time. Look back at the 8 streams. side gigs, digital products, subscriptions, investing, creator monetization, reselling, royalties, AI-powered automation. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy? What skill or asset do I already have? How much time and money will I invest this month? Frame it as a 30-day challenge. Your mission: earn your first dollar within 30 days. Day 1. Pick one idea and write a one-line project. I will offer to proofread resumes on Fiverr. I will list one vintage t-shirt for sale on eBay. Day 7. Create your offer. Write the description, take the photo, outline the mini guide. Price it low and fair. Day 14. Publish your offer. List the product. Post your service. Upload your asset. Day 30. Review. Did you make a sale? Any inquiries? What did you learn? This month is about proof of concept. Diversify your income. Take small, consistent actions. You have the knowledge. You have the tools. You have proven ideas. The only thing missing is your decision to begin. Choose one. Just one. Take the first, smallest step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos.